Hello and welcome to another SAFSIMS tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to review and approve a lesson plan. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do when you log in is to select the lesson plan tab on the left-hand side of your screen. All lesson plans submitted to you for review will be on display under the Awaiting Approval tab. Select the lesson plan you would like to review by clicking on the View Lesson Plan button beside it. Once you have viewed and reviewed the lesson plan, if you would like to request a correction, simply click on the Request Correction button. On the pop-up window, proceed to input your comment and click on the Submit Request button. If the lesson plan meets all requirements and you would like to approve it, simply click on the Approve button. All approved lesson plans can be found under the Approved Lesson Plans tab. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you can review, request corrections, and approve submitted lesson plans on the SAFSIMS portal. If you don't already have SAFSIMS, there is a link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.